Greetings and welcome back to my channel! It is I, Erin, and I have a super fun video to film today. I'm so excited. So today we're going to do the no brushes makeup challenge. I'm only going to use my fingers. And beer of the day is wine. We're trying the Apothic Rosé. It's actually really good. It's not sweet at all. It's not like super dry, which is my favorite, but it's dry enough, you know what I'm saying. I guess we'll start by priming the face. I'm gonna use my Catrice Serum Primer, of course, as per usual. I love how glowy it is. It's weird that I'm gonna put everything on with my fingers. Okay. This primer I like to put it on with a damp beauty sponge, but today that's not happening, obviously. Duh, hello. Okay. Feeling weird about life. I think the best way to do this is to use very little powder products and mostly go for cream products, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like a Korean inspired beauty situation. Cool, awesome. So that's on there. Whew. I hope this turns out good. I don't want to have to take it off. But I guess we'll find out, won't we? Is it okay to put it like this onto my eye? I guess not. Okay, just kidding. Oh no, look what I did. Look what I did! Oh man, Jeffrey, I'm so sorry. I love you. I'm confused by life now. I don't know what to do with myself. Look what I did! Oh, so I'm just dripping the makeup micellar water onto my hand and using that to clean it up. I guess that's fine. I'm gonna use this cream lipstick from H&M, and I'm gonna use that to deepen up the edges of my eye, hopefully. We'll see how that works. This pink highlight from the Opals palette right on the lid itself. That should be doable, right? Man, this is like hardcore. I could have done like such a simple look, but of course I would just take it to a stupid level. To a stupid level. I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics foundation today. This is an ivory, 201 ivory. And I don't know how much I need because I never put it on with my fingers. Okay. I remember like one of the first videos I ever recorded, it wasn't for YouTube, it was on Facebook when I sold Mary Kay. I was like, people use brushes and sponges for their makeup, but like I'm too lazy for that, so I'll just use my fingers. And like honestly, more power to you. More power to you. Now y'all know I love brushes and makeup sponges. Brushes and makeup sponges. This feels weird. We're going in with the finger, of course. And we're gonna pat that out here. I guess maybe I should have started the other way. I'm like, slap in my face. Excellent. That's actually working, which is disgustingly weird. We've got this pink somewhere here. Tea Rose from H&M. It's like pretty rose pink, obviously. Okay, help us all. And we're gonna do the same thing and blend that out. Hopefully this is not too much. I guess if I ever got too much of a cream product, you can just add more foundation on top of it. Actually, that's pretty. Cool. And then, as a highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this All-Made Jelly Highlighter. I haven't used this since my first impression. It's called the Make Them Jelly Highlight in Mermaid Magic. You open it up, it's got a lid like that. Dogs are barking. And it's just weird. Like, look how weird it is. Okay. I don't know if I got anything on my finger. I guess we're gonna find out. We're just gonna use this kind of as a blush topper since I took my blush maybe excessively too high. Crazy person. Why is someone mowing their lawn right now? Jesus Christ. Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands. How am I supposed to record a video if you're fucking mowing the lawn? Riddle me that question. I might need to top this with a powder highlighter because it's just not giving me everything I want. Though it's pretty for sure. Oh, it's like really there on the nose. Okay. Maybe I just need. I'm like pat my face like this. No, bro. I do want to definitely add a powder highlight on top of that. I do want to stay pink though, so we'll go in with the Mermaid's highlight. Not Mermaids, the Opal highlight in pink. Okay, now we're glowing. Hello, glow. There you go. If this is cheating, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna do a little all-nighter just to kind of get my face to like, I don't know, not feel so greasy. We're gonna take it on our pinky like this. Just kind of press our lashes up with it on. I don't know if it's doing anything. Guess we're gonna find out. We're gonna use our airspun. We're just gonna cry. I don't know. Maybe just like pretend I'm baking with my finger. Oh, this is gonna take a minute. And how do I wipe it off after? I don't know, bro. Okay. Actually worked. Okay, cool, perfect. Lipstick. Pinky time. Oh, look at that. I'm like literally dumb. Truffaloo, which is like a blue tone red from H&M Beauty. Yes. Give me that K-pop beauty. Alright guys, so this is the final look of a full face of makeup with no makeup brushes or sponges, just my fingers. How do you guys think I did? Leave me a comment down below and tell me if I did anywhere near okay. I do like how the lips look a lot. I might do that again with like an actual makeup look. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join the darling army! My first ever giveaway is now closed as of June 1st, and the winner should already have been contacted. But don't you worry, I'm planning on doing giveaways every single month. So as soon as I decide what I'm gonna have for this month, I will let you guys know. You can also follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. That's all at I'm a Pluralist. And if you want to support me in my creative journey, then you can go ahead and become a patron on Patreon. The links are down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!